Good morning, EN.AHMAD FARIS. Thank you for coming in today to meet me. I hope you're doing well.
Yes, I'm doing well, thank you.
Glad to hear that. My name is ALYSA, and I'll be acting as the credit officer handling you with your personal loan application. And I'd like to begin by confirming a few basic details before we proceed. Could you please confirm your full name and IC number for verification purposes?
Sure, my full name is Ahmad Faris bin Iskandar, and my number IC is 850321 14 56 78.
Thank you. Now, from our records, you have applied for a personal loan amounting to 30,000 ringgit to be used for home renovation. You've proposed a repayment period of 5 years with monthly installments of approximately 600. Is that accurate?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. So today, I'll be going through a few key aspects of your application, such as your financial background, income, current commitments, and the purpose of the loan. This is to ensure your eligibility and the bank is making a responsible lending decision. Shall we begin?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so let's start with your employment history. According to your application, you're currently working with Berjaya Auto Parts Sendirian Berhad. So, could you share more about your role and how long you have been with the company?
Yes, I've been employed there for 6 years now since March 2019. I work as a senior operations executive and handling supply chain coordinations and inventory planning.
Okay, so that's a very stable position. Longevity and consistency in the employment are definitely good signs when it comes to credit evaluation. Has your role or income changed significantly over the past few years?
Not really. They have been small annual increments, but I remain in the same role.
Understood. Now, just to clarify, have you taken out any loans in the past with banks or financial institutions?
Yes, I currently have a housing loan and car loan, and I occasionally use a credit card.
Thank you. From what I see on your credit report, your repayment history has been clean with no late payments or defaults, both internally and externally. That reflects very positively on your character and credit behavior. And your marital status, you're currently married with 3 children. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
All right. Thank you for confirming that. Now, let's talk about your financial capacity. Based on the documents you have submitted, your gross monthly income is 6,500 and your net take-home pay is about 5,100. Is that still the current figure?
Yes, that's accurate. On top of that, I earn about 500 each month from part-time tutoring.
Great. So that brings your total net income approximately 5,600. So let's go over your current monthly commitments. You've stated that you're paying 1,200 on your mortgage, 800 on your car loan, 300 in your credit card bills, and 400 for your children's school expenses. So the total is 2,700. Does that still reflect your current financial obligations?
Yes, that's all correct.
So that leaves you with about 2,800 in monthly disposable income, which is quite comfortable. With the proposed loan installment of 600, you still have over 200 in surplus each month. Are you confident that you can maintain these repayments over the loan period?
Absolutely. I've done the math and it fits into my budget quite easily.
That's good to hear. Just to double check, you don't have any other financial obligations that we haven't covered, personal loans, business loans, or informal debt?
No, none other than the ones we have discussed.
Perfect. That gives us a clear and manageable financial picture, and your debt service ratio is healthy. Moving on to capital, This refers to your savings, investment, and assets. Do you currently have any savings or liquid assets?
Yes, I have about 20,000 in saving and also contribute monthly to EPF.
Very good. Do you own the house you're renovating?
Yes, it's under my name. We are still paying the mortgage, but we've been living there for several years now.
That's excellent. Property ownership is a strong indicator of financial security. Do you have any other significant assets such as investment or vehicles?
Just our family car, which is still under financing.
Okay, noted. So your existing savings and ownership of your home give you a good buffer in case of an unexpected challenges. Regarding collateral, for this loan application, are you offering any form of security such as fixed deposits, property or insurance policies?
No, I do prefer this to be an unsecured personal loan.
Understood. Based on your financial profile and repayment history, that's acceptable. Just note that unsecured loans typically carry slightly higher risk for the bank, so interest rates are slightly higher compared to the secured loans.
Yes, I understand.
Now, let's go into the purpose of the loan. You stated that this loan will be used for home renovation. Can you tell me more about the renovations you're planning?
Yes, we are planning to renovate the kitchen and also improve the living area. The children are getting older, so we need more organized storage and better space layout.
Okay, makes sense. So, have you received any quotations or estimates from contractors yet?
Yes, we've achieved a few. The full cost is estimate around 28,000 to 30,000 depending on material selection.
Okay, so that's reasonable. Since the renovation is for a property you own, this loan purpose adds value to your home. Just to check, will this renovation work or payment plan affect your ability to work or your income in any way?
No, not at all. My job is stable and I still be working full time as usual.
Okay, understood. Okay, thank you, Ahmad, for your cooperation throughout this session. Just one last question. If you were to experience unexpected financial difficulties, such as an emergency expense or temporary job disruption, do you have any backup plan?
Yes, I have a personal saving as backup, and I also have some support from my family member if needed.
That's very responsible. I appreciate your proactive financial planning. Based on the information you have provided, your loan application appears to be in good standing. I'll complete the credit scorecard and forward your application for final review. You should hear back from us within the 3 or 5 working days.
Thank you very much for your time and support.
You're very welcome, Ahmad. If you need anything else, we'll be in touch. I wish you all the best with your renovation project. Have a wonderful day ahead.
You too. Thank you.